Mbunge ya bururi nicokereirie ciikaro ciayo umuthi thutha wa rutha rwa ihinda kuria kuringana na watho yambiriirie na kuhitukia maritwa ma memba kamiti ya kunyabara mbunge niyo PSC undu umwe na kwihitithio kwa mbunge eri aria marathurirwo kuihuria mathenya ma mbunge icigo-ini mbunge cia Kandara na Garissa ithurano-ini. Maya nio riri Ndugamano itanyitwo kwiyumiria mbunge-ini kurumirira ndumiriri ya Speaker Moses Wetangula umuthi kuria athomire riendekithia ria President William Ruto hari gutabania mogaruruku matiganite ma kiwatho kuria athomire riendekithia ria President William Ruto hari gutabania mogaruruku matiganite ma kiwatho ta kugathika kigina kia NGCDF gatiba-ini undu umwe na kuba wabici ya mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro bururi-ini.
You cannot have a leader of opposition in the National Assembly because there is no opposition in the National Assembly. In the National Assembly, we only have the majority side and the minority side because we are in a presidential system. And in a presidential system, the executive is actually kept out of parliament. Even the majority side, they may come from the same party that is forming the executive, but they are not there as the executive.
It is not the duty of the president to keep the opposition in opposition. It's the duty of the opposition to know that Kenyans gave us a mandate, and that mandate is that they voted for us as Azimio members of parliament.
Ambunge a thirikari matire na thina nayo nigetha andu matige kugia na ciegwatio cia gutumaga mathie kuria barabara mundu akamenya ankorwo hena undu enaguo na wa mung'ethaniro no ni arenda wikwo ni thirikari ena forum kana ena njira angehota guthondeka ideas ciake na acirehe thiini wa thirikari na ideas icio nacio ikorwo cia kwamukirwo na ikorwo cia kuheo mbeca.
Kuringana na mbunge ya Azimio riri ni igeria ria President gutongoria mihango ya gucenjia gatiba undu uria ni mugaru na watho gukwaru nao wa Kenya Kwanza matianirie mierio ino yao makiuga Azimio marenda guturia bururi na ngucanio cia kiuteti niguo kuhe hinya mirurungano iria makoretwo makienda kwambiriria.
Aingi ao marenda disorder, marenda gukorwo kwina muhatekano, karenda gukorwo kwina mugucanio, marenda gukorwo gutari na order, marenda gukorwo kwina kindu gitagwo na githungu anake. Na niguo thirikari ni turauga tutigwitikira uhoro ucio wa anake. Aca thirikari na bururi ni getho thi na mbere no nginya gukorwo kwina mubango na mutaratara uria wagiriire na koguo ni kiithu tugukorwo tugikenyangira hau watho ukorwo ugithondekwo na njira ati munene wa mung'ethaniro onake ari o thirikari-ini.
Whether you agree with the Supreme Court or not, when we went through the BBI process, the Supreme Court was so clear that a sitting president cannot initiate any changes to the constitution. By the very fact that those proposals have been made by the president, it makes them crumble ab initio.
Azimio ningi ni kuruhanetie President William Ruto na igeria ria kuhotomia wiyathi wa mbunge ya bururi makiria kurumirira micemanio iria akoretwo agitabania na mbunge ya ciama cia mung'ethaniro ta Jubilee na ODM guku makihita kung'ethanira na thirikari niguo guthaitira wiyathi wa mbunge.
So if we want the office of the official opposition, then why can't we then go the full hog and have a parliamentary system? Because that is where you find the office of the official opposition. In a presidential system, there will always be the leader of majority, leader of minority. The other opposition leaders will basically be ordinary citizens of a country.
Any goal ya coalition hiyo kana kiama hiyo kirenda gwathana kenda gukona absolute majority. Tora absolute majority no hote kuhitukia maundu maingi muno kuria bunge. Riu tugikona absolute majority kuria bunge ni tukuhota kwa medicatifa niguo twikire mbeca cia NGCDF na cia GAF ici cia women reps ona cia Senate oversight fund nitukwenda guciikira kiria nitukwenda guciikira constitution-ini.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.